Assalamualaikum students, how are you? Here in this video we will solve very interesting math puzzle by very easy and interesting method. Can you also solve this puzzle in a few seconds? Thank you so much all of you for joining for solving this puzzle. I'm very glad you all are here and solving puzzles with me. Here my very easy and interesting puzzle is square root of 64 divided by 4 over 8 divided by 2. Can you solve this puzzle in a few seconds? I'm giving you some time to solve this puzzle, then I will give you the live proof of this puzzle. Please stay with me and solve this puzzle. Okay, great. If you have solved this puzzle, then answer in the comment section. Now I am giving you the live proof of this puzzle. Let's solve this puzzle. Here I have square root first. I will solve this square root first. Square root of 64 here is 8 because 8 times 8 is 64. I am writing here as square root of 64 is equal to 8 because 8 multiplied by 8 is equal to 64. Here let's take a square root 2 divided by 4 as it is over. When we divide 8 with 2, it will become 4 because 2 times 4 here is 8. 2 times 4 here is 8. 2 for the 8, so here is 8. Now again division here, 8 divided by 4, what should be the answer? 4 times 2 is 8, so answer is 2 over 4. When we divide both numbers, as we all know that these numbers can be cancelled by table 2. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So the answer is 1 over 2 here. Answer of very interesting math puzzle here is 1 over 2. Okay, great. Shifting to my next puzzle. My next puzzle is 5 multiply 5 is equal to 52. 4 multiply 3, 21. Okay, great. My next puzzle is, I am repeating this puzzle. 5 multiply 5 is equal to 52. 4 multiply 3 is equal to 21. 6 multiply 7 is equal to 24. 9 multiply 8 is equal to question mark. Can any one of you solve this math puzzle in a few seconds? I am giving you some time to solve this puzzle. Okay, great. If you have solved this puzzle, then answer in the comment section. I am solving this puzzle right now. As we all know that 5 times 5 is 25, not 52. 5 times 5 is 5 times 5 is 25, not 52. So I will write it as 25 here. Again, as we all know that 4 multiplied 3 is 12, not 21. 6 multiply 7 is 42, not 24. When we reverse these numbers, it will become 52. First equation is satisfied. When we reverse 12, it will become 21. Second equation is satisfied. When we reverse 42, it will become 24. My third equation is satisfied now. Now, what should be the answer of this puzzle? As we all know that 9 multiply 8 is 72. Now, what should be the answer? Reverse these numbers. it will become 27. So answer of very interesting math puzzle here is 27. I hope you are enjoying the solution. Is your answer also 27? Please comment in the comment section. Okay, great. Shifting to my next puzzle. Here my next puzzle is square root of 3 square plus 3 square over 2 square. Can any one of you solve this puzzle in a few seconds? Okay, great. If you have solved this puzzle, then answer in the comment section. Now I am solving this puzzle in front of you. Here, square root of, as we all know that when we take a square of 3, it will become 9 because 3 3s are 9 plus 3 3s are 9 again over, when we take the square of 2, it will become 4 because 2 times 2 equals 4. Now simply solve our square root first. 9 plus 9, here is 18 over 4. Now what should be the answer? As we all know that we cannot find the square root of 18. So I will simply write it as 18. I will do prime factorization here. 2 times 9 is 18 and 3 times 3 is 9. Again 3 times 1 is 3. Here I will simply write as 2 multiply 3 square over 2 multiply by 2. Here simply I will cancel out these 2's. Now what should be the answer? This square will be cancelled out with this square root. This will become 3 over square root 2. So answer of very interesting math puzzle here is 3 over square root 2. Is your answer also 3 over square root 2? Okay, great. My last puzzle here is this is my last puzzle of this video. Please solve this puzzle. Here my last puzzle is 7 divided by 7 multiply 7 minus 7 is equal to question mark. Can any one of you solve this math puzzle in a few seconds? Okay, if you have solved this puzzle, then answer in the comment section. Now I am solving this puzzle in front of you. Here I have 3 operations: division, multiplication and subtraction. According to board math rule, I will do our division first. Let's do division. 7 divided by 7 is obviously 1. Multiply 7 as it is, minus 7 also as it is. Now I will do our multiplication first, then subtraction. 7 times 1 is 7 minus 7. When we do subtraction, 7 minus 7 is 0. So answer of very interesting math puzzle here is 0. If you have enjoyed all this puzzle solution, please hit the like button, and if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button too. and share it with your friends. Now take care of yourself, stay connected and keep watching Geomath 26. Allah Hafiz.